it lands in the area occurs. Additional details at 8:15 a.m. The National Weather Service in Birmingham has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Tuscaloosa County until 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:49 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Shelton State Community College, or near Tuscaloosa, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Tuscaloosa, Northport, Hull, Brookwood, Coling, McFarland Mall, Shelton State Community College, Tuscaloosa Amphitheater, Bryant-Denny Stadium, Tuscaloosa Regional Airport, Lake Wildwood, University Mall, Deer Lick Creek Campgrounds, Bankhead Lock and Dam, Bull City, Lake Tuscaloosa, Englewood, Cottondale, East Brookwood, and Little Fendi. A tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time for West Central Alabama. A tornado watch also remains in effect until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time for Central Alabama. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following county: Tuscaloosa, Alabama,